Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm glad to be alive. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold.
Good morning, everybody. Today is my birthday. It's October 7th, 2021. I'm officially 24. I guess not officially because I think I was born at like 5:30 or 6. My mom doesn't remember. I am currently getting ready for the day. I'm gonna curl my hair. I always film my birthdays. I don't know why, but it kind of started out as a tradition, and now I think it's really fun to look back on all the past year's birthdays and kind of see where I'm at in life. I actually posted on Instagram yesterday. I got a memory that pops up on my phone on Instagram, and I remember it was when I went for like my emo walk at Tillicum Crossing. Last year I was in my CNA program. I was literally in school all day, and then I went out on the boat with Katie and we got sushi. It was just really simple, but I was in a very different spot in my life. I think I was very lost and unsure of what my next year would look like. Here I am a year later, proof that your hopes and dreams can come true. I'm in nursing school. I probably would have never told my 23-year-old self that that's where I would be a year from now. It's been a good day so far. I've just spent the whole morning being on the phone. Some of my friends have called me, which has been so fun, and I got a ton of birthday texts. I think that's one of the most special things about your birthday is you realize how many people really care about you. I know I always try to be good and send the birthday texts, and they do mean a lot. So thank you to anyone who has sent me birthday texts. This morning, my friend Leah can't come to my party tonight because she's gonna go graduate college because she's a 2020 grad too and is now having her makeup graduation. But she got me this amazing book. It's called The Beauty in Breaking. I read the back of it. It sounds really good. And she always makes me a card. These are just so cute. And she writes me like the nicest note. So thank you, Leah. You literally made my day. Her cards always make me cry. Like, they're so thoughtful. Got some more texts coming in, and the plan is to go get lunch with my mom. She's at work today, but I told her that I would go get lunch with her because it's her half birthday. So I'm gonna go join her and get lunch with her. And then tonight, all of my friends from all different groups, ski team, college, high school, nursing school, we're all gonna go to Punch Bowl Social or something in Portland. I forget. I actually went to this same place when I was like 15 and we did karaoke there, but we rented out some bowling lanes just to have a fun night with my friends. And I feel like that's all I really want to do is be with people who I love, and it'll be fun to see everyone. It's gonna be a good time, and I'm gonna take you guys along for my day. We'll see how it goes, and one day I'll look back and say, oh, that was 24-year-old me with the frizzy hair because my hair's a mess. I'm gonna fix this. Okay, I'm gonna open some things. My manager sent this to me. Oh, that's so cute. He sent me the Ascend. Oh my god, they say my name on it. Happy birthday, hope you have the best day. As a part of your gift, I wanted to give you your own Ascend buck slips. From one list lover to another. These run my life. I use them constantly and they're actually legendary in Hollywood. Everyone uses them for everything. I'm so happy for you and proud of you for all your accomplishments during such an insane year. Happy birthday, Alex. Aww.
Oh, that was really nice.
Oh, it's so nice. Let's see if it'll focus.
Nicely wrapped.
And then it says my name at the bottom. Oh, he got me a Figs gift card so I can get some more scrubs. He knows. I see. I got both. Okay. Can you still see my face? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Wait, this is so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. This is amazing.
So you see why I asked you that this morning?
Wait, did you already know what it meant and you lied to me?
Well, yeah, because I just didn't know if you like weren't there yet, and I was like, this is so cute.
It's like literally so me. And I love the little badge reel. It's so cute. Scout is so cute. She sent me this text so I could virtually open my gift. She got me an A&O ×1 sweatshirt, like alert and oriented ×1, and then this little badge reel that says be a good human. Scout is on the grind in medical school, just really working hard. So that was so fun. I got to chat with her for like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna chill here. I guess I'll eat in like an hour for Katie's, but I think I'm just gonna rest so that my social battery is fully recharged for tonight because it's gonna be really fun and I'm very excited to see everyone.
Make it boom, 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 boom.
birthday drink, which I need. This little pumpy squirter thing isn't very effective, huh? Oh my god. I might just not curl my hair and just keep it how it is. Figured out the outfit. Katie Mac's getting ready. We got the Maddies. Other Maddie's getting ready. She looks super cute. Show us your boots, Maddie. Oh. Show the people your... Oh, you gotta put them on.
Are you wearing the boots? No.
Oh, you're not wearing the boots? They're so cute.
I'm going bowling.
Look at these. Time check is 5:55.
Oh,
perfect.
you're chilling.
Yeah, we're chilling. Maybe I should map to this place and see how far away it is. It's 12 minutes.
And there's the parking garage right there. Are you gonna open your presents?
Yeah, should I open them now?
This is so cute, by the way.
Okay, I was supposed to film for the girls.
Okay.
Can I film on your phone for the girls?
Yeah.
This one is from the girls.
Ooh, wow, where'd you get this bag?
Isn't that a cute bag?
So
so that's like Kylie and those.
Yeah. Cute.
Okay, that's
fun.
You want me to film it or I can film it?
Oh my God. That's actually a really good gift. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Open the Maddies next.
The Maddies? Which one's that?
The bag.
The bag? Okay. Good job, Maddie.
Shout out Target.
This is actually the same bag I got for Lucy for one of her birthday gifts. Yeah. Great minds think. Oh, this is such a cute card. Oh, they spell that. It's so great. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little bite. I love it. Oh my god, this like perfectly matches my room vibe. Yeah,
so cute.
it's so cute.
Yeah. So we have a matching one,
Oh
and
my God.
Maddie will show you because it's an artist that's at her work right
It's
now.
at my
But- and
my
she
God.
puts little butts on everything, and it's
That's
the
so
cutest thing I've ever seen in my
so
whole life.
cute.
Okay, the last
Okay.
one's from me.
Oh my god, the smack. Can I rip it?
Get it, girl.
Get it.
Girl,
Dee
get it.
doesn't let me rip my gifts. I can. Oh.
Okay, so this is like a really cool brand that is really trendy in the horse world now.
Oh my god, I'm a horse
I know.
girl.
And so this is what like my bosses got me for my birthday, and then what somebody else in the bar got me as a
So I'm
present.
gonna look cool.
So everybody wears it at the horse shows and stuff.
Oh my
and
god,
you
so
should-
when are we going
you
to a
should look-
show?
I'm
gonna wear this. This is so cute. And it's really soft inside too.
It's like very helpful.
Super cute. Thanks, Katie.
Remember when you were like, "What's Aviator Nation" the other day?
Yeah.
With Henry. That's
Yeah.
Aviator Nation.
Oh. Alright, we're gonna depart to the bowling alley. Thank you guys for watching our unboxing. Whatever footage we capture will be inserted here.
Hi everyone, we just wanted to document how many go-go squeezes there are in Kiara's car. I don't know how to zoom. That's all. Are we recording? Oh, I think we're recording. Happy birthday, Kiara! We love you! Caitlin! Our first drink! Caitlin! Oh my god, queen! Oh baby! Oh! That was skill. That was skill. It's in our family, our generation. Lucy trained me. Strike is coming. Look at that. Oh,
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place alive.